Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're starting now. Sign into your current Google account and open YouTube Studio. Once inside, go straight to Settings and choose Permissions because that's where you add people. Click Invite, enter the new Gmail address, and pick Manager or Owner depending on whether you want full control. Make sure the email is exact, otherwise the invitation won't arrive. After sending, note who issued the invite and when. This helps track pending invites if you need to revoke them later. Now switch to the new Gmail and find the invitation email. Accept it so Google registers you as manager. If the channel is on a brand account, accept through your Google Accounts Brand Account section. This step links the Gmail correctly. Once accepted, go back to YouTube Studio, use the account switcher at the top right to open the channel, and verify that Permissions shows the correct role. Make sure you can access Video Manager and Analytics. To finish, if you want full control, transfer ownership to the new Gmail after any required waiting period, then remove the old account from Permissions. Before removing, verify the new account can edit videos, access revenue features, and adjust channel settings. If anything breaks, don't panic. Retry the invite flow, clear your browser cache, or use an incognito window to accept the invitation. If the brand account prevents transfer, check brand account settings and repeat the owner change from there.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.